Hello everyone, in this video we are going to convert an HTML site into React.js application. As we all know, React.js help us to create single page applications. So in this video I am going to show you how you can convert your normal HTML website with CSS and JavaScript into a React.js web application. So in this video we are covering how to add our old CSS into our website and how to write inline CSS and how to create navigation using React Router DOM and how to deploy the application and how to host into a Cpanel. So we are covering all these topics in a single video in a few minutes time. So let's jump into the video. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. If you want to know more React related videos, please let me know in the comments. And I am clearly mentioning this is maybe not the perfect way to convert your HTML site into a React.js website, but I am kind of a lazy person and I like to do it in the easy method. That's why I using all these methods. So let's try it. Converting your HTML website into a React.js website. So first we have to install React. So for that we need a node installed in our PC. If you don't have node installed in your PC, you can go to nodejs.org and download the latest version or the stable version of Node.js. I already installed the Node.js in my PC, so I'm going to open my command prompt. If you are in Windows, you can press the shift key in your keyboard and press right click and you will be able to see open PowerShell window here option. So click that and I can check my node version. Here I can see my node version. If you don't have the node installed, please install first. Now run the command npx create react app and the app name like HTML to React or something, whatever you want. It may take some time to generate the React app for you. So now you have to move to our directory to cd, in my case HTML to React. Open that and open my code editor, which I am using is Visual Studio Code. We can open that by typing code and dot. So this is my code editor and open the terminal and run the React app. npm start. So this is my React app and this is the basic boilerplate. So you can make changes on it by going the app.js file. So if we change here, like, it will immediately update without a refresh. So in our case we don't need this. In our case we don't need this and we can get a blank page. If I add like h1, you can see this. So it's showing center because we already have the app.css here and it's come with the boilerplate, so we can remove all codes from that. So it won't show any styling here. Now I am planning to add the bootstrap CDN into my React application. Go to bootstrap CDN and this is the bootstrap CDN CSS, and go to inside public folder. You can see the index.html. okay, actually we don't need this commented things. You can get rid of this, and here somewhere here you can add your CSS. okay, if I change this instead of if I change this to containers, I could able to see this is bootstrap is working, and this is now kind of responsive. So now we have to make some components. Components are just like different pages or different parts of our web page. So when we creating a React app, we have to create a lot of components. Before we doing that, I will show you some extension which I am using. You can see that React Native, React Redux Snippet, and ES7 React Redux Snippet. So you can install this snippet, so it will help you to generate some code, and it will help you to make the application little faster. okay, now we have to now we are going to create a new folder inside this src folder. I am naming as app. okay, and inside that I'm going to create a file called header. So that should be the website header, header.js. and now I am using the power of the extensions. When I press RFC, it will generate a React functional component for me. Just press this and it will generate the React functional component. So we have to call that component into our app.js, because the app.js is compiling and generating our HTML output to display at the web page. So if I call the header, if I call the header, here again I am using the power of our plugins. You can see when I click this header, it will automatically import the header which we created. okay, here you can see header from app/header. we have to close this tag. So when you open the web page, you can see the header is coming from the header.js. okay, the content is coming from the header.js. Now we are going to make a simple navigation here. Guys, I just want to let you know about a giveaway which we are currently having on this channel. I am giving away 3 Amazon gift coupons worth $100 and $50 and $25 for 3 giveaway winners, and the giveaway result will be published on 5th April 2022. And if you are watching this video before that, you can participate on the giveaway, and by simply subscribe to this channel and comment why you are subscribed. okay, and we are selecting the winners from the comments. So go to our bootstrap and documentation and search for navbar, and just copying the navbar code from this website and pasting over here. And now we have to do some changes here, like in React the class attribute doesn't support. So in this we have to add the JSX attribute, like instead of class we have to add class name. So I select the class and Control and H for get the replacement option. So we have to replace the class with class name. okay, everywhere it was replaced Okay, fine. Now if I open the website again, we can see the navbar is displaying here. The navbar is showing now inside the container. We have to display the navbar outside the containers. So I'm going to the code editor, and in app.js file I am going to add this outside the container. Now we will get some error because in JSS we can only return a single tag. So here we can see the header tag, and under that we are returning this container div tag. So we have to wrap it with a React fragment. So that means like an empty tag. So it will fix that error and it will display like this. Okay, fine. So now we are going to make some separate components. I mean, like our pages: home page, about page, and contact page. So inside in that app folder, I am going to create home.js, and here about.js, contact.js. So in all these pages I am adding RFC to generate the functional component RFC. Okay, fine. This is very cool, right? So we created our 3 pages. If you want to call the home page content under this, we can okay, just import that, import home from app/home. So close this. Here we can see the home, that content comes from our home component, right? So now we're gonna add a card inside the home. So I am copying the card code from bootstrap and simply pasting inside it. Okay, now we will get lot of errors. I will tell you. Or okay, this is okay, now we are getting a lot of errors. So to fix that, we can do it one by one. Here you can see the inside the img tag doesn't have any clause. We have to close that tag. So one error has been fixed. Instead of class, we have to use it as class name, and just like I did in the header one, and doing that. Now some of its error was gone, but there are some other errors. We can write the CSS style, I mean inline style, like this. So if we are going to change this to okay, and here inside that we are adding this, and there are some other issues that we can't add semicolon inside here. So we are adding comma. If you want to add another one like height, okay, if you have to use comma. Okay, and we can use, so if it's a string, we have to add a single quote for this value. So I'm going to get a image. I got an image URL and I am pasting over here. Okay, now we will check the website. Okay, we can see the card is displaying correctly. Now we have to make our navigation, right? We can use in ahref in React, because as it's a single page application, when we click a link, it will go to that component without reloading the page. We are going to use a library called React Router DOM. So I'm going to install that. So I'm opening another terminal here and installing npm install for I React Router DOM. Okay, we are installed the React Router DOM. Now you have to go to our app.js, and now we have to import our React Router DOM. So I'm importing our React Router DOM, and here I am taking the browser route and use navigate. And what we have to do is we have to wrap everything under the router tag. Okay, so now you have to create the routes. So we have to create another tag called somewhere here. Okay, we can call routes. Now we are creating our routes inside that. So here you can see the route, and that should be exact path, and that should be the home page. That's why we added slash and element. I mean, which component we have to load when someone entering our home page. I mean that slash page. So we have to run our home component. So we have to change the home. We will change this to home. We are copying the code, and we have to create about and contact. So when someone go to our website /about, we have to load about component data like about. Also we are importing that about here, and here contact. Right, now what? Why we are okay? Now you don't know why we are getting this 2 times, because I will show you what I did wrong. Here you can see I am already called this element again, because currently we are inside the home, and I called this tag once again. If I go to about, you can see the about page and the home content from here. If I remove this and save this, you won't be able to get that. If I go to home page, I will get home data. If I go to about page, and I will get about page data. So now we have to make this links clickable, and when we clicking these links, and it will go to the pages without reloading the app. Okay, fine. So make this happen. Go to your header.js file, import, use navigate and links from React Router DOM. Okay, fine. And simply we have to do one thing, that we have to replace this a with link. Okay, and we have to change this here, and we don't need the half because this won't work in our case. And instead of half, we are adding 2 and the link. In our case, this is like in home, we are give the route as slash, and here in we are changing this to about, and here about, right, about. Okay, and link, remove the half, and we don't need this, and get rid of that. and this should be the contact page, contact, and copy this and link. Okay, good, contact. Okay, now go to home page, and you can check this. This is when if we are reloading, you can see the reload button. Okay, you can see we are going to these pages without reloading. So hope you understand how you can convert your HTML website into React website in a smart way, I mean in a simple way. Maybe this is not a real path to follow, but because I am a lazy person and I like to do stuff very simple, so that's why I use this method to make it work, and this is working. Now we have to host this website into a cPanel. I mean we know that a lot of people are still using cPanel, and I am one of that, and I do have another hosting options, but I love to teach you how to host this on cPanel. So let me show you how you can deploy this application and how to host it in cPanel. So go to your terminal. I mean in terminal you can run npm run build. So it will generate a new folder here like build. Open that folder. Oh, no, sorry. Open that folder. Okay. When the build is completed, you will be able to see these files, the logo and these things. I mean, it's a compiled version of your React application. It should be less than 1 MB. Okay. Yeah, it's only half MB. So what we're gonna do is we are going to host this in a server. Yeah, this is my cPanel, and I am going to log in to my file manager. Inside the file manager, I have created the React Toot subdomain. In subdomains, I created a subdomain called React Routes. Sorry, React Toot, react.staging.getx.com. Okay, and this is empty, and I'm going to upload my build files into it. Okay, so I'm going to compress this folder as zip upload and extract. Okay, if I go to react.staging.getx.com, I could able to see the website, but I'm getting this error. How to fix this? Here comes the solution. Okay, delete any htaccess file if you have, like me. Okay, and if you can't see the htaccess file or the hidden files, you can go to settings and show hidden files. Okay, and now go to create an htaccess file .htaccess. Okay, like this. Now you are able to see the htaccess file, and I'm going to add this small htaccess code into my website and click save. Now what? We are loading our website. You can see it will working fine. Yes, it is fucking perfectly fine. So I will give my blog link in the description, and you will get all sample codes from my blog. So I will give that link in the video description, and you will be able to get this htaccess code and some other codes for helping you to make your React applications. So hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. If you like the React series, then you just let me know, and I will post more videos related to React, React app development, and SPI application development. So if you want to know how to upload React application into GitHub or some other free service providers, then I will make a video. I will make videos on that. You just let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you.